Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So at first I was really skeptical about making this video, but I realized that you guys are like my family now and you guys are a very big part of my life and I don't want कि जो मेरे साथ हुआ था 3 साल पहले वो आप लोगों के साथ सेम चीज़ हो. इस वजह से I need to give this information to you guys so that you are aware about each and everything regarding the examination. So without much introduction guys, let's get started with the video. So guys, starting from my school time, when I was in my school, my drawing was really good. Like I used to go in competitions and my drawing was like generally very good. तो ऐसा हो ही नहीं सकता था कि मतलब मैं इसका ऐसा सोचूं कभी कि मेरे ड्राइंग में अच्छे नहीं आएंगे या वट एवर, बिकॉज माई ड्राइंग वॉज वेरी गुड एट दैट टाइम ऑल्सो. आई वॉज ऑल्सो गुड इन साइंस एंड पढ़ाई. सो ऐसा होता है कि देयर इज़ ऑलवेज अ प्रेशर कि हाँ अगर अच्छे मार्क्स आ रहे हैं PCM में तो इंजीनियरिंग ही कर लो. तो दैट प्रेशर वॉज ऑलवेज देयर सम सॉर्ट ऑफ. तो आई वॉज नॉट वेरी क्लियर एवर कि मुझे प्रॉपर डिज़ाइनिंग करनी है या फिर मुझे इंजीनियरिंग करनी चाहिए. आई सॉर्ट ऑफ वॉन्टेड कि दोनों हो. So I focused on my 12th board examinations and I did not prepare for any entrance examination. But जैसा कि सबके साथ होता है, board examinations हुए and I gave entrance examinations and I gave 3 examinations which was NID, NIFT and NATA. Now I did not prepare for it obviously because I was not sure कि मुझे क्या करना है. I got into NIFT, cleared all the rounds, end तक गई थी. NID में भी मेरे काफ़ी अच्छे आए थे. एक बार प्रिपेयर करती अगले साल तो वो NID में भी हो जाता. But guys, what happened is in NATA, in the drawing section, I failed in that. Now I was not even मतलब मैंने सोचा भी नहीं था कि आई विल फेल इन इट. ठीक है, कम मार्क्स आ सकते हैं बट फेल. माई पेरेंट्स वाले कि नहीं कुछ दिक्कत है, ड्राइंग में कैसे कमा सकते हैं, कहीं किसी और चीज़ में आते तो समझ में भी आता बट ड्राइंग में कैसे आ गए. तो इट वॉज सॉर्ट ऑफ अनबिलीवेबल फॉर अस. मुझे लगा कि यार ये क्या हो गया. तो देन क्या हुआ, जब मेरा निफ्ट में हो गया तो माई पेरेंट्स बोले कि अब हो गया तो अब ले ही ले, बहुत मुश्किल से होता है. बट देन आई रियलाइज कि द कोर्सेज वर वेरी स्पेशलाइज्ड. बाद में मैं कभी वीडियो बनाऊंगी कि वाई आई डिड नॉट टेक एडमिशन. So guys, what happens in NATA that if you don't qualify in the drawing part, you don't qualify in the entire competition. तो मतलब तुम NATA से एडमिशन ही नहीं ले सकते आर्किटेक्चर में. You are not qualified in NATA then. तो I did not even give JEE because I don't know, मैंने JEE दिया नहीं because मुझे कभी ऐसा लगा ही नहीं कि मैं फेल हो जाऊँगी. तो अब ऐसा हो गया कि मेरा यही चॉइस था कि मैं निफ्ट में लूँ, बट आई डिड नॉट टेक एडमिशन दैट. सो गाइज बेसिकली मुझे तो चलो आई वॉज नॉट श्योर, आई वॉज नॉट प्रिपेयर्ड फॉर इवन टेकिंग एडमिशन. आई नीडेड टाइम कि मैं सोचूं कि मुझे एग्जैक्टली करना क्या है. बट गाइज फॉर यू गाइज जिनको जो श्योर है कि उन्हें नाटा ही देना है, उन्हें उससे ही एडमिशन लेना है, एंड इफ़ यू डोंट हैव दिस इन्फॉर्मेशन तो एंड इफ़ यू गाइज फेल योर एंटायर 1 year वुड बी वेस्टेड. सो आई डोंट वॉन्ट कि तुम लोगों के साथ ऐसी सेम चीज़ हो. तो गाइज नाउ कमिंग टू वाई आई फेल्ड इन नाटा, वॉज इट बिकॉज कि मैं ड्राइंग अच्छी नहीं थी या फिर क्या पार्ट था. सो गाइज इन नाटा एज इट इज़ एन entrance examination for architecture, so their drawing and their entire things जो भी वो पूछते हैं that is related to architecture and it's very different. ठीक है, they need perspective sketching skills, they need you that you are somewhat thinking like an architect only. In the composition part also, principles of design, they want to see that. Now I can't explain in very detail कि वो क्या होते हैं, but there are some technical terms which you need to learn to get good marks in NATA. If you don't know that, you guys can even fail in NATA because that's the basic thing they want to see in your sketches. Also guys, you must have faced this problem that हम लोगों को जो भी क्वेश्चन देते हैं, जो भी सिनेरियो देते हैं, हम ड्राइंग में तो अच्छे होते हैं बट वे अपने आप से स्केच नहीं कर पाते. तो ये प्रॉब्लम भी सॉल्व हो जाती है बहुत ही ईजिली. मैं अभी बताऊंगी कैसे. सेम गोज विद द कॉम्पोजिशन पार्ट ऑल्सो. दे वॉन्ट टू सी अ certain thing which should be taught to you, which someone should tell you so that you can qualify in the examination. So guys, I prepared for 1 to 2 months ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा, and बहुत ही कम प्रिपरेशन में मेरे नेक्स्ट अटैम्प्ट में I got 55 marks out of 80 in the drawing section, which is quite good. And अब तो I can even get 60 plus I think easily, क्योंकि अब तो बहुत अच्छी हो गई है. But guys, मतलब ये knowledge ना होने से कि exactly वो चाहते क्या है और exactly वो पूछना क्या चाहते हैं drawing section में, बहुत ही दिक्कत हो जाती है, राइट. सो नाउ आई एम गोना टेल यू कि व्हाट एग्जैक्टली दे वांट इन ड्राइंग सेक्शन. इन ड्राइंग सेक्शन देयर आर सम टॉपिक दैट यू शुड कवर, विच इज पर्सपेक्टिव स्केचिंग, ह्यूमन स्केचेस, composition, shade and shadow. These are some technical topics which you will require guidance in. You will require maybe a coaching or a course or something like that to prepare for it. So guys, architecture being a very important course for the development of India. जिनको भी इसमें इंटरेस्ट है, जो भी आर्किटेक्चर कर सकते हैं, at least they should know how to prepare for the entrance examination. JEE, for IIT, we have so many coachings available but for architecture there are a few only, right? We don't know how to prepare for the examination, and that's why people are scared from it. But guys, to pursue it, at least you should know how to prepare for it and get into your dream college, right? So that you can pursue architecture, become a good architect and follow your dreams, right? So that's why we started a course, small course only. We started a drawing course and more than 100 students joined that. It became well. I like almost all the students who started from zero, started from a basic level, whatever, they are now on a very nice level कि अब वो examination देंगे ना तो they will score very good in drawing part. Guys, after the drawing course, we prepared a complete course for the preparation of NATA and JEE mains. We worked very hard for making the course. We made the entire study material on our own. We went through all the previous year papers of NATA and JEE to find out and sort out questions, prepared tests for you guys, entire lectures, recorded lectures, study material and everything to prepare for you guys, and that is very beneficial. Already many students have enrolled in this course. But guys, abhi jab JEE ka examination hua, so what happened is some students found the maths part very difficult. Now maths and aptitude, I have already said in my previous videos also that it is mainly about self study. हम लोग आपको कितना भी guide कर दे, but maths and aptitude is something in which you need to study yourself. Okay, the more you will practice, the better you will score, and that's what a fact. So what we did was, again we went for a search, found the best faculty available जिसका personally मेरे को पता है, and one of my friends used to study from him and he scored 99 percentile in maths. So we know for a fact that he is a very good faculty for JEE maths. So we went to him, talked to him and said कि यार सर आप पढ़ा दो, and this is like ignoring our all profits and everything just for you guys. We told him that he should help us out and he agreed. So you will not get this type of quality in this affordable price. I will link all the prices in the description box below, so please check that out. In this affordable price, you will never ever in entire India get this quality of preparation. So guys, sir has 10 plus years of experience in teaching JEE maths, and the course we are starting will start from 5th March and it will be till 23rd May. That is the because next attempt जो होगा उससे पहले तक तुम्हारी classes चलेंगी. So guys, the classes will be for 2 hours, 2 times a week each, like 4 hours a week. एंड वो आपकी 23rd May तक चलेंगी क्लासेस, एंड इससे आपकी प्रिपरेशन पूरी हो जाएगी JEE की. एंड गाइज, इफ़ यू आर एमिंग फॉर गवर्नमेंट कॉलेजेस फॉर आर्किटेक्चर, दैट इज़ थ्रू JEE ओनली. सो to crack JEE and to get into a good government college, you absolutely need to prepare for the all 3 parts. एप्टीट्यूड भी अच्छा होना चाहिए, ड्राइंग भी अच्छा होना चाहिए और मैथ्स भी बहुत अच्छा होना चाहिए. सो इफ़ यू आर एमिंग फॉर दैट, योर ड्रीम कॉलेज इज़ अ गुड गवर्नमेंट कॉलेज, आई थिंक दैट you should enroll in this course right now. Don't delay it, because then you will miss a few classes and then it will be difficult for you to cope up. So you should enroll right now if you want to join the course, and you will not get this quality and this affordable course in entire India. जहाँ जाके देख लो, but it's up to you guys. If you think that something else is better, go for that. So decide for yourself. I think you're grown up and you can know ki what is good quality and what is not.
In our coaching of NATA and JEE Main, we have various courses. The drawing course, in which we have recorded lessons for 1 point perspective, 2 point perspective, 3 point perspective, human sketches, composition, and shade and shadow, which will make your drawing part very, very strong. In the full preparation course, we will guide you complete it in the examinations, and live classes are also held on various topics like building construction, history of architecture, staircase, bricks, doors, windows, and after each topic is covered, we take a test which is online and it is time-based test, and this is how we take the test. We give various questions which can come in the examination right after the topic is covered, and after every live session the recording is also uploaded so that if you have any internet issues you can just watch the recording and attempt the test. We also have study material if you prefer self-study, because there are people who prefer self-study. So we have study material in which we provided PDFs of all the study material, NATA, solved question papers, and various PDFs on mathematics, aptitude and drawing, जिससे कि तुम्हारी full preparation हो जाएगी. In our WhatsApp group, people send their assignments after watching the recorded lessons, and we discuss each and every assignment, tell them the corrections and their doubts, so that कि उनकी preparation बहुत अच्छे level पे हो जाए, and people have started from zero and now they are drawing amazing, guys. This is our WhatsApp group for the drawing, and every Monday, Wednesday, Friday there's a class. People send their assignments and we also give the question. This is the question given by our faculty, and every Wednesday we give a question. People send their assignments and we individually discuss all the assignments and the corrections. We have another group for aptitude also, the full course, where we take live classes, upload the recordings all the time, and people make notes, all the students make notes and send it to the WhatsApp group right after the class. The maths course is also starting very soon, and there will be 2 classes for maths, 2 classes for aptitude, and 3 classes for drawing per week. And the prices is also given in the description box below. So check it out, guys, and you will not get this type of quality and this type of affordable course anywhere in India. So what are you waiting for, guys? Enroll now, and I will see you in my next video. Thank you guys for watching this video, and I hope that in some way I have helped you guys out. Thank you guys for watching this video, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.